Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for SSC Phase 13. First, ensure you meet all eligibility criteria before starting your application. The SSC Phase 13 recruitment offers various posts, so it's crucial to identify which ones align with your qualifications. We'll cover the essential steps, from registration to final submission, helping you navigate the process with confidence. Get ready to learn how to successfully submit your application. Before applying, confirm you meet the specific age limits and educational qualifications for your desired posts. You'll need a valid photo identification, all your educational certificates, and if applicable, a caste or category certificate. Make sure your scanned photograph and signature adhere to the exact dimensions and file size requirements, typically around 20 to 50 kilobytes for the photo. Incorrect documents can lead to rejection, so double-check everything. The application process begins with one-time registration on the official SSC website. You'll need a valid email address and mobile number for this. After registration, log in and proceed to fill out the detailed application form, providing accurate personal and educational information. Carefully upload your scanned documents, pay the application fee online, which is typically 100 rupees for general candidates, and then submit your form. Remember to print a copy for your records. Always keep track of the application's start and end dates to ensure you submit on time. It's highly recommended to apply well before the closing date to avoid last-minute technical issues. Before making your final submission, meticulously review every section of your application for any errors or omissions. A small mistake could impact your chances. And speaking of smart choices, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Good luck with your application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.